All right, today we are diving deep into a super powerful risk management framework from a trader known simply as Bao. Now, this isn't some textbook theory. This is a battle-tested system that's designed to stop traders from making the single biggest, most painful mistake in the book. So let me ask you a question, and be honest. Have you ever had one of those days? You're up big, you feel like a king, you're absolutely crushing it, and then somehow you end the day with a massive, gut-wrenching loss. If you've been there, you know that feeling. And it turns out there's a very predictable, deadly pattern that leads to this disaster. And here it is. This is the trap. It all starts when you're feeling confident, maybe a little too confident, because you're up a lot. Then a trade starts to go against you, eating away at those nice profits. The minute you get back to break even, panic mode kicks in. You start thinking, no way am I going to let this turn into a loser. So you add a massive size to try and force a win. And what happens? A beautiful winning day turns into an absolute catastrophe. But there is a way to stop this cycle dead in its tracks. Here's how we're going to break it down. First, we'll look at what Bao calls the ultimate trading sin. Then, we're going to learn his golden rule to stop it and unpack his entire risk management toolkit. We'll even walk through a crazy real-life trade where this system saved the day. And finally, we'll see how you can use all this to build a financial fortress around your capital. Okay, so let's get right to the heart of the problem. What is the psychological flaw that lets our very best days become our absolute worst? It's probably not what you're thinking. And here's the key insight from Bao himself. Your biggest danger isn't starting the day off with a loss. No, it's when you're already up a good amount. That profit, it feels like house money, right? It feels like a cushion you can play with. But that cushion is a trap. It gives you a license to gamble, to take risks you would never, ever take with your starting capital. So how do you protect yourself from yourself? The answer, according to Bao, is to build a system around one simple, unbreakable rule. It takes the emotion out of it and just comes down to cold, hard math. This is it, the 1/3 rule. It's simple. Your maximum loss on any single stock for the day can never be more than 1/3 of your daily profit goal. This isn't a guideline, it's a hard stop. Think of it like a circuit breaker that's designed to trip before your emotions can take over and burn the house down. So let's make this really practical. If your goal for the day is to make $1,000, you are not allowed to lose more than $333 on any one stock, period. If your goal is $500, your max loss per ticker is $166. See? This simple math defines your pain point before you're in the heat of the moment. It forces you to cut that loser long before it has a chance to spiral out of control. Now, Bao's way of putting it is, well, it's very blunt, but the message is dead on. This rule forces you to move on. When a stock isn't doing what you want, you cut it loose and go find a better opportunity. You stop trying to fight a losing battle, which saves you not just money, but your time and your mental energy for a trade that's actually working. Okay, so the 1/3 rule is the cornerstone, but it doesn't stand alone. It's supported by a few other key tools. Let's look at how they all fit together to create a truly bulletproof system. I want you to think of this like a 3-legged stool. For it to be stable, you need all 3 legs. The first leg is your allowance. That's your hard budget for what you can lose. The second is your max size, a hard limit on your position size. And the third is what he calls your emotional max loss. That's your personal pain threshold, the point where you just know you have to walk away for the day. Now, this is a really critical distinction to understand. Max loss is a dollar amount. Its job is to protect your daily profit goal. It stops one bad trade from ruining a good day. Max size, on the other hand, is measured in shares. Its job is to define your niche and protect you from insane volatility. For instance, you might be fine trading 10,000 shares of a $1 stock. But if you took that same 10,000 share position in a $10 stock, a big, sudden move could cause a catastrophic $100,000 loss. You absolutely need both of these rules. All right, so theory is one thing, but does this system actually hold up when things get crazy? Let's walk through a real-world trade where this entire framework was put to the ultimate test. Okay, so get this. Bao was already having a great day, up about 12 grand. He gets a little bored and starts shorting the stock, EMAT. Well, it immediately rips against him, running all the way from $14 towards 25. And he keeps adding to his losing short position, a classic, dangerous mistake. But, and this is the key, because he had his rules locked in, He finally hit his predefined max loss for that ticker and was forced to cover his entire position. The system kicked in automatically and stopped the bleeding. So look at the two parallel universes here. Without the system in place, that $12,000 profit becomes that deadly cushion. He could have easily kept adding size, kept fighting the trend, and turned a great day into a career-ending loss of over 100 grand. But with the system, that disastrous trade just became a manageable loss on a single stock. And look at the final result. He still finished the day up $8,500. He took a nasty hit on one trade, a trade that could have absolutely destroyed his account, but he still walked away with a solid green day. That right there is the power of a non-negotiable risk system. So you see, this is about more than just surviving one bad trade on one bad day. This is about building a repeatable process, a system that protects your capital day in and day out, so it can actually grow over the long term. It's about building a fortress. And a huge part of building that fortress is physically taking your profits off the battlefield. Bazio is incredibly passionate about this. His point is that money sitting in your trading account isn't real. It's just a bigger cushion, more chips to gamble with on the next trade. By regularly wiring money out, you lock in those gains and you mentally reset. And this is why that matters so much. The goal isn't to hit one massive home run. It's about consistency. Grinding out $100 a day might not sound sexy, but that's 25 grand a year. 500 a day, that's $125,000 a year. Yeah, it's boring sometimes, it feels like a job, but this is how slow, steady, consistent gains compound into truly life-changing wealth. So let's wrap this all up. If there's one thing you take away from this, it's that successful trading isn't some kind of magic. It's not about being a hero. It's about discipline and simple, boring math. So this is the fortress we've been building. It's got multiple layers of defense. The 1/3 rule is the main gate. Your max size rule sets the height of the walls. You avoid that cushion trap, which is like leaving ammo lying around for your emotional brain to use against you, and you make the whole fortress stronger every single time you wire out profits, securing your wealth outside of the battlefield. And in the end, it really all boils down to this. Anybody can get lucky and make some money. That's the easy part. The real skill, the thing that separates the pros from the amateurs, is knowing how to control your losses. That's the hard part. And it's the only part that really matters. So I'll leave you with this one final question to really think about. When you look at your own trading, what is your single biggest risk? And what is the one rule from this framework that you can put in place tomorrow morning to put a permanent restraining order on it?